Cha 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 Igbo kwenu, Igbo ngono, Igbo rieno, Igbo kwezuonu. You see what I'm saying? Now, Ndị Igbo, blatant investment. What are the investment I'm talking about? Manufacturing, industry, and other things. As well, real estate, but we are talking about good investment, a sustainable one. Actually, no come more than Kirie before my busy with my full video and analysis. Chief, His Royal Highness Ezudogburugburu of Ihiala, the Omeleora of Ọkpanam. The Omeleora #1, the numero uno. Just Kirie this video. Kirie, we are coming.
This one is the fish pond. You know, because it's an ultra modern farm, so we want to make sure that everything here, nothing here disturbs the neighborhood, both now and in future. The first one that we did here, because we needed a natural fish pond, but we find out that in future, taking water out will be an issue. So now we are building it so that we can deck where we use the down as waste. So we are going to deck all this place now, this entire place, so that it won't disturb neighborhood, you won't hear any smell. On the other area too, we are going to build a snail point, yes, a snail farm there. A greenhouse for snail there, will be there. Why across this land now, we have 2 acres there. So that one is going for our greenhouse. Yes, that one is going for greenhouse. Yes, for vegetables, pepper, green pepper, garbage, and other things. This one here is for our layers. Yes, this one is our chicken house for layers. As you can see now, they are arranging the automated cages. Here we will have about 5,000 layers. Why this one now they are constructing now is for the broilers. So this place now is for our staff, people that will be taking care of the chicken and the fish and the snail. So they will be here. And this is our security point. In anything you are doing, security matters. Here is a store for the eggs, while the top is for feeds. Here is our administrative office and the IT hall. Farm is luxury. Farm is not a dirty place. Anything that goes into people's mouth have to be clean and neat. The one over there on construction, yes, is our staff canteen. So we make sure that every of our staffs, at least they're entitled to 2 square meals a day. And there is still a staff bus, yes, that will be picking our staffs from all the points, yes. And we still have accommodation for other staffs. This is an industry like every other industry, where everybody will be proud and they do their work. This house here belongs to the farm general manager. This is his house. This one is the clinic, the hospital, animal hospital, and ultra modern laboratory, pharmacy. That's what we have here. We want to make sure that anything that is going out from this place is clinically tested. This one here is for coppers and people that comes for trainings. There are people that, yes, IT, people that wants to do their IT and learn how to, so this is their quarters here. This place will house over 2,000 goats and rams. This one is another factory. This is our feed processing mill. We'll be producing our feeds, both for in-house use and external sales. We must create employment. We must make sure that people are okay. Here is another security point. It's a tower that will be viewing the entire space. That one there is for grass cutters. We are targeting over 2,000 grass cutters. We even have some on ground. This one now is for our cow. What we are going to practice here is 100% zero grazing. So our target here is 400 dairy cows, because we'll be producing milk, cheese, and yogurt here. We are running horses too. We have bought some. So far, we have gotten at least up to 50 people that are ready to work. Our governor says we create job. You know, when you create a job, you drive away insecurity. So this place, the Ọkpanam indigenes and Deltas are the first people.